Today I started the day in Houston, but I will end my day in San Antonio. The Red Sox won yesterday. It was an amazing game, just a freaking amazing game. But I'm here at a coffee shop, and I'm gonna work, and then I'm gonna drive to San Antonio. Let's get it.
There's a print on your cheek from my wrinkly pillow. There's a smile from the view on the window. Your lips, there's a glint from your toothpaste.
Today I will be talking about the 3 advantages to living a digital nomadic life, and tomorrow I'll be talking about the 3 disadvantages of living a digital nomadic life.
You can schedule when you need to work and move things depending on certain commitments. You have the ability to move and schedule your whole schedule for the day, the week, the month, and the year. Something that's connected to timing is travel. You can actually maneuver when you work to when you travel, and specifically if your work is on the internet or a lot of it is on the computer, you can actually work on the road, which is something that I'm doing this weekend. I'm in Houston and San Antonio for the next 3 days, but I'm also working on the road. I'm editing, I'm emailing, I'm planning things at a coffee shop remotely, but in these cities. You're in control of what you do, and you're in control of who you work for, in the sense that I could want to work for a company and they may respond or they may not respond, but if they do respond, I went out of my way to actually reach out to them. So if I reach out to them, I should probably at least want to work with them. So I'm in control of that. I'm not in control of them responding, but I am in control of me reaching out, and I have the power to reach out to companies that I want to work with. On the flip side, if there are companies that are coming to me, I have the control of saying yes or no. If I was working for other people, that may or may not be true. And I can't speak for every corporation or agency or whatever, but I know that for me personally, I love the fact that I can control who I work with, and I can say yes or no to different jobs or different opportunities.
Everyone, welcome to San Antonio. That's it for the vlog today. The rest of the show, or the rest of the day, I'm going to be hanging out with some friends that I know here in San Antonio. So much love. I'll see you tomorrow in the next episode. Peace.